By the end of the video you will know about how to lose belly fat if you are skinny. Many people believe that being skinny means they don't need to worry about fat. But that's not entirely true. Even if you have a slim physique, you can still have unwanted belly fat. Here's a guide to help you achieve a toned, flat stomach. First, let's understand why belly fat can be stubborn even for those who are otherwise thin. The main factors include genetics, diet, lack of targeted exercise, and overall body composition. While you might have a fast metabolism, belly fat can still accumulate due to poor eating habits or a sedentary lifestyle. Step 1. Nutrition. To lose belly fat, your diet plays a crucial role. Focus on eating clean, balanced meals that include plenty of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods, as they contribute to fat storage, especially around the midsection. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can also help boost your metabolism. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Step 2. Strength training. Incorporating strength training into your workout routine is essential. Lifting weights helps build muscle, which in turn increases your resting metabolic rate, aiding in fat loss. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses that work multiple muscle groups at once. Step 3. Cardio. Cardiovascular exercises are important for burning calories and reducing fat. High-intensity interval training height is particularly effective. It involves short bursts of intense activity, followed by brief periods of rest. This method has been proven to be more effective at reducing belly fat compared to steady-state cardio. Step 4. Core exercises. Targeted core exercises can help tone the abdominal muscles. Planks, crunches, and leg raises are great options to include in your routine. These exercises will not only strengthen your core, but also help in achieving a flat, defined stomach. Additional tips. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps in digestion and can reduce bloating. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can negatively impact your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Manage stress. High stress levels can cause hormonal imbalances that encourage fat storage, particularly in the belly area. By following these steps and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can effectively lose belly fat and achieve a toned, flat stomach even if you are naturally skinny. Thank you for watching, and remember to check the links in the description for our recommended high-protein supplements to maximize your gains.